Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to list your first product on Homeroot. If you are new to it, check out our detailed video on the overview of Homeroots. Now to upload your products on Homeroot, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Homeroots account. Once you are in, take a look at the right side of the screen, where you will find an option for Profile. Click on that. You will be integrated into the backend. Now from the Live Set menu bar, you can see that there are many options. Now to add products, you can do it manually or with a feed file. For bulk upload, you need to select feed templates, which we will show you in a later video. Today, mainly we will show you how you can add your first product manually. To do so, click on Add New Products. There are two options to fulfill your order on Homeroots. One is fulfilled by merchant and another one is fulfilled by Homeroots, as like FBA and FBM on Amazon. For now, let's keep it as fulfillment by merchant. Now click on the Add Product option. Here you will find all the tabs that you need to fill up to list your item. First, the Classification tab. Here you need to select your product category. As I will list in the Home Decor category, I am selecting this one. Then Area Rug. Now click on Next. Then you need to fill out the basic information like country of manufacture and shipping from. My item is from Turkey, so I am selecting this one. It will be shipped from US. Now click on Next. In the Stock Offer tab, you need to add your product SKU, price, lead time and quantity. Let me add them quickly. Okay, everything is done. Now give the quantity and click on Next. In the Content section, you need to update your optimized content. Here I have prepared some information before, which I am going to include each tab now. You can do it according to your products. After filling out the Content tab, we need to update the Item Weight Details tab. Let's input the item's weight and dimension. Now upload your product images on the Image tab. Then you need to fill out your product attributes, which is also called product specification from the Attributes tab. Here you will see a lot of information that you need to fill up. For now, I am skipping the most and adding some required ones. But you should input as much information as possible. After completing all of them, click on the Save button, and your product will be live on the front end within a few minutes. And that's all for today. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any confusion, please let us know in the comment box below, or email us at info@ecomclips.com. We will always be there to help you. Stay tuned for more amazing tips and tricks to boost your success in the world of e-commerce. Until next time, bye bye.